Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Bitget account. This guide will walk you through the steps to enable 2FA for your account. Step 1. Log into your Bitget account. Begin by visiting the Bitget website and logging into your account with your username and password. Ensure you are on the official site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once loaded in, go to your account settings. Look for the Security or Account Security section in the menu. This is where you will find options to manage your security features. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will typically have the option to use an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy or SMS for 2FA. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions provided to set it up. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your chosen 2FA method, you will receive a verification code. Enter this code to confirm the setup. Once confirmed, make sure to save any changes and log out of your account. Enabling two-factor authentication is a crucial step in securing your Bitget account. By following these steps, you can help protect your assets and personal information from unauthorized access.